front page this month after its highly touted launch. The Cintrifuse startup accelerator has landed its first tenant. Cintrifuse is a corporate-led effort to grow the local economy through innovation. It is supported by P&G, the University of Cincinnati, and Kroger, among others. The goal is to boost venture capital options and establish more vibrant networking for local entrepreneurs. The first startup for Cintrifuse is Listener. It's a mobile application that delivers content to music fans and a captive audience to advertisers. With the Listener app, you receive backstage photos, interviews, and other downloads from artists, along with ads that play when the content is viewed on digital devices.
But ultimately, what Listener intends to do is change the way brands communicate to consumers through audio. You know, we're utilizing a technology that's truly a game changer to deliver content to a mobile device.
Williams is leaving his job as Senior Assistant Brand Manager at P&G to start Listener. So far, he has landed commitments from 10 artists to deliver Listener content through their music. The app will get its first test at the RVA Music Fest in Richmond, Virginia in early October.